Hang on for dramatic effect. Music's in my ears. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today's gonna be a very special video. We're gonna be talking about a desk, and not just any desk. You saw the intro, I'll do it again. Overall, I've used my fair share of desks. I've used beer pong tables to play games on. I have before. Coffee tables where my back is killing me, just hunched over like a hunchback playing on a coffee table. Today we're gonna talk about one of the best desks I've ever used. Shout out to Autonomous for sending me this desk. Nonetheless, whatever they sent me does not change the outcome of this video. I'm going to give my honest opinion on this desk. Today we're looking at the Smart Desk 2, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and overall why this is a desk for you or is not a desk for you. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I've been gaming for years, and I've used my fair share of desks. I've used everything. And like I said in the intro, it wasn't the best. But what makes a good gaming desk? Better yet, what makes a great gaming desk? Simple, 2 words: build quality. The Smart Desk 2.0 isn't your old school particle board. We all know those particle board desks, you know, the ones you used in high school or elementary, whatever. They're the little crappy desk, you know, the desk you find here and there. It's not your IKEA desk. The table comes in 3 colors. It's going to be white, black, and bamboo. I opted out of getting the white because I was going for that clean look. Now that tabletop right there, that is one of the strongest pieces of wood I've ever. As you can tell, I have my entire setup on it. I have my CPU. I have my monitors on there. I have a little fan. I have a little Funko. And yes, guys, it holds all of that very well, and it is sturdy. Getting into the frame of which the tabletop is on top of, that frame can hold up to 300 pounds. Yes, 300 pounds. I've tested it. Adding all that equipment and myself, it rounds out to about 300 pounds. And yes, guys, it held. The frame alone is amazing. I've used other stand-up desks, and they aren't this sturdy. When you raise the standing desk to the top, and you start gaming, you start flick sniping and everything like that, it is stable, guys. It doesn't wobble. Again, I've used other stand-up desks where I start aiming with my right arm, and next thing you know, this thing is wobbling. Now, unlike other motorized desks, you know, that usually cost about $200 to $300, they do, guys. The frames alone, if you go to Amazon right now, they cost about $200 to $300. Those frames were only designed to be mounted with like random tabletops. Why? I've had one of those, you know, random frames that you buy on Amazon, and I mounted an IKEA desk, and it just doesn't feel the same. It wasn't built to be together like that. Now this one here has been built to be together. The tabletop was built for the frame. They go hand in hand. This is why I never recommend to buy a frame by itself, because again, you're putting 2 things that don't go together. It's like putting a different type of gas in a car. It just doesn't work. You know, it's like driving around in a diesel Volkswagen and you're putting gas in it. It's not going to work. Now, the Smart Desk is going to run you about $379, which compared to other tabletop and motorized desks, it's a steal. I went on Amazon. The desk I had prior to this was a motorized stand-up desk, and the frame alone was about $400. And like I said, I bought that on Amazon, and I was still lacking the tabletop. So $379 isn't bad, and you're getting both the tabletop and the frame. Now, some people are gonna probably say, well, but Mike, I don't understand. Like, I don't feel like dropping $370 on a desk that maybe I like, maybe I won't like. That's awesome. So For those of you who don't know, Autonomous has a 30-day trial period. So if you really want to try this desk out, email Autonomous, go to their website, and they have a 30-day trial period. That 30-day trial period is awesome because you can get that desk, you can try it out for 28 days. Shoot, you can try it out for 29 days. And if you are not happy with it, tell them, this is not what I don't like about it. That's why it's called a trial period. You have 30 days to try this desk out. Now, for those of you who say, well, I like this desk, I don't have $379 to drop right away. That's perfectly fine. Autonomous has the payment program. You can go to their website, and I believe it's about $38 a month for this desk. So overall, the build quality is perfect. The only drawback and setback, and it's pretty dumb in my opinion, when the packaging arrived, it was like literally took me like an hour and a half. It took me longer to unwrap this desk from the box that it arrived in with UPS rather than put this desk together. Putting the desk together was simple, but you know, undoing the boxing and all that good stuff took me forever. So a good and a bad, meaning it's gonna arrive to your house in good condition. Last time I ordered a desk, it was one of those large gaming desks with a mouse pad on it, and that thing arrived damaged, broken, scuff marks. This desk arrived perfect condition, no scuff marks, nothing on it. And as you can tell, there are presets on the side, 4 different presets. You can adjust the desk in certain ways. Preset number 1 for me is going to be at the bottom. When I game on mouse and keyboard, I like to sit at the bottom. When I jump on, PS4 or I game with a controller on my PC, I like to raise it to a good level, about maybe a 44. And yes, guys, I like to raise it all the way to the top, maximum height, like when I want to get under my computer or under my desk where I wanted to change some cords up. Really awesome. Really, really good desk. Overall, I'll close it out with this. I didn't see many drawbacks to this desk. Very little, if any. Packaging was a little tough to undo, but for the most part, the tabletop is amazing. You have a lot of real estate. You can put 3 monitors on your desk. You can put your computer on your desk. There's a lot of real estate on it. It is sturdy. Again, if you're in the market for a good desk, Autonomous Smart Desk 1 is awesome, or Smart Desk 2 is an awesome desk. Huge shout out to Autonomous. I wanted to try this desk out for 30 days and, see if I liked it. They did me a favor. They sent it out to me. If you're wondering, well, Brave, you're only saying this just because, they sent you a desk. That's not the case there. I don't do many reviews on my channel. And the reason for that is because I know the products I like. I'm not going to push a product on my channel that I don't back. When I saw the Smart Desk 2, I did my research on it. I saw videos on it. I saw the specs on it. I saw reviews. Overall, it's a great desk. So again, thank you, Autonomous. Shout out to my buddy Brendan for shooting this entire video. It is not easy to shoot a video, guys, like this. It is not easy at all. It takes a lot of work, a lot of camera skills that I don't have. You guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next video.